This video will cover how to reset the oil life indicator on this 2015 Chevy Equinox 2.4 liter so that the system can calculate the next oil change. We reset the oil life to 100% using the cluster screen and the vehicle info buttons here. Turn the key on with the engine off. It will display whatever you have it set at. Press the menu button to display the information screen. Using the up or down arrows, keep pressing until the oil life remaining screen appears. Then press the Set Clear button, and the screen will ask you if you're sure you want to reset. Using the up arrow, select Yes. Then push the Set Clear button, and the screen will reset to 100%. To end the programming, hit Menu, and you can turn off the ignition. Hopefully this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comments. You all have a great day.